Welcome to Food Week at Kids Coach. Today we're making Agedashi Tofu. Agedashi Tofu is a Japanese dish that I learned when eating in Japanese restaurants. This recipe starts with firm tofu. The key ingredient is potato starch. You can buy both of these ingredients at an Asian food grocery store. I'm using canola oil, but normally it would be vegetable oil. I set the temperature of the burner on 6. Pour in just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. While the oil is heating up, I dip the tofu in the potato starch, turning all the sides so all the sides get a coating of the potato starch. I keep flipping it and turning it to make sure it's all covered. I place a square of the coated tofu into the oil of the frying pan. The oil is warm now and it begins to sizzle upon contact with the tofu. Use these colorful tongs to turn the tofu while it's cooking because the temperature is getting warm now and the oil is sizzling. So I want to be careful that I don't burn my hands, so I use these tongs. Tofu is sizzling well now and beginning to get warm. I want to check the bottom to make sure it's starting to brown because I want it to be brown just a little bit. Sizzling away, cooking, getting a little brown on the bottom. And I think it's starting to get a little brown on the bottom. I turn one over. Then I turn the second one over. Then I turn the third one over. And then I turn the fourth one over. So all of them have to cook on both sides. Nearly ready. They look like marshmallows over the campfire. Set out a piece of paper towel to absorb the oil from the tofu. Then I take the tofu out of the frying pan and place it on the paper towel. Now to let them drain on the paper towel. They're very warm, so I'm using tongs. And I'll let them degrease here a little bit on the paper towel. And little love is excited about Agedashi Tofu. Sit! Good dog. I make sure to turn the burner off when I'm finished cooking. This is what it looks like when it's finished cooking. It's delicious with soy sauce and kimchi and rice, all wonderful Korean foods that I love to eat and make. Thanks for watching the video for Agedashi Tofu on Kids Coach Food Week. Please subscribe.